Hey everyone, Alex here. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy methods on how to fix earbuds that aren't working. Maybe sound isn't coming through one of them or they just stopped working entirely. These methods should work with any brand, so let's dive in. So for method 1, we're going to reset the earbuds. And the first thing you're going to want to do is forget that Bluetooth device from your settings. On iPhone, all you have to do is go to Settings, Bluetooth, and then forget those AirPods or whatever other device you have. And it's very similar on Windows and Android. So to reset AirPods, we're going to turn the case over and look for a button on the back. And once you see that, flip it back over, open the case lid, and then hold down that button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you see the white light on the front start flashing. That's your indicator that it's been successfully reset. For other types of earbuds, sometimes there won't be a button on the case, but instead there'll be buttons on the actual sides of the earbuds themselves. So all you have to do is take those out of the case, hold down the buttons on the side of the earbuds until they start flashing as well, and that will reset them. And once the earbuds are reset, you should be able to repair them to your device as if they're a brand new Bluetooth device. Now for method 2, we're going to check if there's a software setting that got triggered that may have been causing your left or right channel to be turned off. So in your iPhone, you'll find it somewhere in Settings, under Accessibility, and then Audio and Visual, and look for a slider that has an L and an R. That indicates which channel audio is going through. If you see it all the way to one side, that's probably your problem. It should also be under Accessibility for Android, and on Windows, you can find it by right-clicking on your sound settings here, clicking that, scrolling down to More Sound Settings, finding the Bluetooth device in question. Let's pretend it was this one. Click on Properties on the bottom here, go to the Levels tab, and then click on Balance. And there you'll be able to adjust the balance. For method 3, we're going to make sure that the charging contacts are clean and there's no debris blocking them from charging. If there is, that can sometimes prevent charging entirely and make it seem like one earbud is dead. So take out your earbuds from their case, grab a little Q-tip and just go in there and make sure that there's no debris and it's clean from earwax or lint or anything like that. When you put the earbuds back in, make sure that they push and make good contact because that's the way that they're going to charge up. I've had this problem happen and that's fixed it very easily. I hope one of those methods worked for you and I hope you have a great day.